Jess, this is my good mate Kyle. We call him the Solanator.
Why are your friends so cool? Like, I've got a friend called Donna who does not know anything about solar. How are you, Solanator?
Yeah, good. Nice to meet you.
So good to meet you. First of all, do you use your nickname to pick up ladies at the pub?
I don't know what my wife would say about that, but I could give it a
True.
go.
It's not really energy efficient to go browsing for birds while married. So you do it in every area of your life, darling.
Yes,
Yeah.
very true.
So so you wanted us to have a look at this today, is that right?
Yeah, this is SunPower Reserve. So this is a new battery all-in-one offering from SunPower. Can be installed retrofitted to an existing home or to a new build. You've got many options.
Did you two meet over solar panels? Is this like there's a mutual connection? Is there like a Bumble or a dating app for friends who are into solar?
They literally after you after hours clubs for solar power.
Yeah, too many. Yeah.
Now, they always say it's not about the size, but this is a pretty big battery. Why is it so big and how much does it pack?
Yeah, so this is a 10 kilowatt hour battery, which is sufficient for most households. Depends on the house what you're planning to do, but generally you want to focus on doing as much as you can during the day, and then the battery's going to help during the night with your general lights, TVs, internet, fridges, and whatnot.
How does a SunPower battery differentiate from other batteries out there?
So the difference with the SunPower battery is you've got the backing from SunPower globally, who have over 38 years industry experience. And with this battery, you're combining this with the panels on the roof. So you've got one brand, one warranty, and you've got safety in that. You know they know what they're doing, and this system can be added to anything in the future.
What do you mean by anything?
So this you can put into a house that doesn't have a battery, doesn't have solar, for instance. You could just have it charged during the night when power is cheaper. You could have it with a house that's just got panels.
How do you have a battery without solar? I'm so sorry to ask silly questions. What do you mean? How does that work?
You can charge it during the night when power's cheaper, or if you're on a wholesale energy market, you can charge it when the power's in negative cost for free, or get paid to charge it.
Oh my gosh, so like you could have it as a standalone and still save money.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my gosh, or you could have this and with the cost of that, save up for that. And then
Exactly. You want to design these so it's an all-in-one solution from the start. So while they work okay on their own, you want to have it with the panels.
What's this?
So this is a 5 kilowatt inverter up the top. So this is what converts the DC from the roof into AC that the battery can use. Down the bottom is your actual battery storage.
So Cole, Jess is looking to renovate a property. What challenges did you face, or do you face any more challenges installing in a renovated property compared to a brand new rebuild?
80% of the properties we do are existing properties, so retrofitting is our bread and butter. There's no issues at all. The main thing is when you're designing the property or redesigning the property, you want to make sure that the system's going to meet your needs. So you're going to add split systems or floor heating, you're going to have an electric vehicle, you're going to have a pool or a spa, all these things take into account. You don't want to have a small system for a massive house or vice versa.
Yeah. As an installer, what do you prefer about SunPower to other brands?
So as an installer, SunPower, what we love about SunPower is the safety. We know that this company is going to back us so we can back our clients as well. That's a two-way street.
So I guess also, is it safe?
Yeah, this is the safest battery chemistry you can get. It's lithium iron phosphate. No nasty cobalt in here as well, so you know it's as sustainably produced and sourced as the power it generates.
So for just an average Joe like me who is looking for solar at their house, or when we're trying to put it into the renovation project, how do we know a good product from not a dodgy product, but a less superior product? So obviously SunPower is the creme de la creme, but what's some general facts that we can look out for?
Yeah, so SunPower is your Rolls-Royce of the solar systems out there in the field. Generally, you want to find a good installer, someone who knows what they're doing, not just an online company, someone that actually will come to your house and do an energy assessment, or you can sit down and talk to, but also a little bit of research in the market never hurts as well.
Yeah. And do you ever whip your phone out just at the pub or something and be like, wonder how much battery I got at the moment? Like, I'm at 100%, yeah! Like, do you, like, you're the Solanator, like, do you live and breathe solar? Like, when the sun's like coming out, do you just feel energized? Like, tell us more about you and your love for solar.
Yeah, no, definitely. So been doing this for over 13 years now, and I know exactly that. I can pull out my solar system at any time, show anyone what my system's making, right? What I'm making, what I'm using, and knowing that I'm independent or insulated from the grid is a pretty cool feeling.
Oh yeah, I can tell. Can you tell? Like, no wonder your mates are like, he can take on the world. Do you go into like venues, you're like, hey mate, you can ask me how independent I am. Hey mate, ask me what my energy consumption is. Like, you're like, I dare you to. Like, they're like, mate, I'm just trying to watch a footy. Like, do you almost want people to ask you about this?
Oh, look, it's always good to have people come up and talk to you about it. But the best part is we had a blackout down my street the other week. No one else had power down the street, but I did. That's pretty cool.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that has full blackout protection?
You can wire up independent circuits if you want to, or you can wire up the whole house depending on what you want, but generally you just want your standard lights, TVs, internet, fridges, whatnot.
That's unreal. The only thing is unwanted visitors in a blackout. If you're the only house with lights on in a blackout, draw your blinds. In
There'll be a
case
queue down the street.
bloody Eileen's coming over to use your toilet for sure.
Is it more complicated to install a home or install that product to have blackout protection, or is that all built in and incorporated within the system?
The features are built in standard from the unit. The main thing comes down to having a quality installer who knows what they're doing to be able to integrate it. Some
Yeah.
people might not integrate it, but most quality installers will.
Great. Well, I think this, SunPower, I think this is what we need to go take back to our renovation project. More because anyone that stands behind 40 years of warranty, you know they're kind, you know that they're quality, and most of the time the cost is replacing something. So if
And
you know that they stand by their word, then why would you go anywhere else?
And as I said, it looks beautiful.
It does look hot. See,
Nice
you
and
two,
tidy.
do you guys, should I actually leave you two alone to like be at one and be alone
Yeah.
with the battery? I feel like I'm the third, I'm the third wheel. Just you go, God.
Good to see you, Jess.
It's always sad when you've got to play third wheel to a battery.
She's a beauty.
Yeah, we don't talk lawnmowers, we talk batteries.
We certainly do.